Good morning everyone. We are from Sri Gurumukhi Vidyashram of class 9A and we have prepared a project of Samrit Bharat. It is a box type solar oven which is made up of aluminum foil.
Our project is a box type solar oven which is made for the Samrit Bharat and the creating a pathway for sustainable development, which is we can use by sunlight, no other energies like electricity, fuel or any other. We only use the natural resources, which is the sunlight, a renewable resource and a clean resource for cooking. And this model we can do in home with the needed materials like cardboard box, an aluminum foil, a black chart paper, and it is more sustainable for us. For LPG or gas fuel, it causes pollution as well as it can cause huge money. Instead, we can use this. It saves tons of money in our society, and it is more safe for our society. We can save the environment, and due to high cost of pollution, can cause lung cancer and many other things. But this does not cause any pollution, and it only absorbs sunlight and works on it.
We made up of the solar oven, simple and affordable materials, the chart, cardboard box, aluminum foil, black chart paper, and plastic cleaning papers, and two straw. The cardboard box from the main body. The black chart paper absorb the heat. The aluminum foil reflect the sunlight into the box. The clinical vapors glass into the greenhouse. The two straw holding the two angles.
This is our box type solar oven. This is our solar type. This solar oven works by the principle of greenhouse effect. Here the clinking vapors trap the heat in the box and the heat is converted into energy, and the box grow warm and the heat increase rapidly, and the energy inside the heat melts the object. This is our sustainable and affordable solar oven works.
We have already tested our solar cooker, the Solaris Eco Cooker. Now let's keep a piece of chart paper under the black construction paper or a black chart and inside the box. First, the aluminum foil reflects light into the black chart. The black chart then heats up. After the black chart heats up, the chocolate inside gets melted after 15 minutes. So the Solaris Eco Cooker, which is the efficient solar oven, works.
To conclude, this is our Solaris the e-cooker solar oven. Supports the theme of Samrit Bharat, which focuses on sustainable development, and this saves fuel, electricity and energy costs. And if people adapt to such innovative ideas, India can came to be more cleaner and more prosperous. So through this project we came to understand that even simple and creative ideas can make a big contribution for a sustainable future. Thank you.